Y'all sure you want to pick a fight with this dude? I don't know. He ain't nothing to play with. See? Oh my god. Come on now. He built different. Damn, only 2 years left? Jesus. Damn, Aki going through it. He is going through it, man. If you know you only have 2 years left to live, it's like you just live it however you want to live it. How they're conveying his emotions right now is just so beautiful. Yeah, because that's baby girl. That was a serious moment of realization for Denji just now. There he is. My memory is pretty foggy about this guy, but I do remember he's badass. I remember that much. Damn. Y'all sure you want to pick a fight with this dude? I don't know. He ain't nothing to play with. See? Oh my god. Come on now. He built different. They got body just now. That man got busted, and he just all out of whack. Y'all about to get bodied a second time, 50th time, whatever time it is that they getting bodied. They just gonna get bodied. This man just chilling though. They think they so clever right now. He's gonna see straight through them. See what I mean? He saw that coming. He is too nice. Bro got ultra instinct. He is too nice. Damn. Snapped his neck. Again. They get an E for effort. Oh my god. He left him with a present. Oh my god, Denji. He catching you lacking, boy. Come on. All in all, I already know Himeno. She had a thing for Aki. Both trying to get in a serious relationship with him, pretty much. Damn, that sucks to have that contract. Sense of taste and smell and both your eyes? That is ass. This man only got 2 years left. What else is he gonna give up? An arm? His top knot? Yes, sir. New ending. Let's go. This ending is just so trippy. Hell of an episode, man. That outro, the new ending, very trippy, very sketchy. Just sketchy with the art style. It's like, the only way I could really describe it is like, you know how you on Photoshop and you have that filter that you apply to your layers called the difference filter, and you just slap it on some art. It just like makes it all weird with the colors, and it's just a big contrast, and it just looked like just some craziness. But if you know, you know. Like, if you're an artist, if you use Photoshop, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, just like, that's what that outro really looked like to me. You just slapped like the difference filter on it or something. That's all, the only way I can describe it. But hey, all in all, I remember who this guy is. I just looked it up. His name Kishibe. Kishibe, okay? He's a badass. I won't say any more than that for those of you who haven't caught up on the manga. So, but this dude, yeah, he he don't play around, as you saw from the episode. Like, that man just made light work of Denji and Power. I mean, of course they weren't going full on out like Denji to even transform, but still, he ain't nothing to play with. Okay, don't mess around with this dude. He's not one of them. He's a big stepper. Yeah, absolutely love his character. 2 more episodes left, guys. I mean, it's only 12 episodes. This is episode 10, so damn, this Chainsaw Man just flew by. Like, it's just this fall going into winter. Extremely grateful to have received this anime adaptation from Studio Mappa. So, hey, you gotta stay along for the ride, though. You know, I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.